for a better user experience and maintenance. This Teccpo Cordless Rotary Tool is designed to create a cooling system that helps dissipate heat, reduce surface temperature, and provide more comfort during operation. The 12 volts lithium-ion battery has a higher capacity of 2.0 Ah, provides an extended operating time at idle. Plus, the special cordless design allows you to fully charge it in 1 hour and use it at any time. Variable speed range from 5,000 to 28,000 RPM. And the adjustable 6-level dial allow you to make it suitable for any different work, no matter it is grinding soft materials or drilling hard materials. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Stable auxiliary handle. The cordless tool with an auxiliary handle maximizes the stability while tackling precise carving, engraving projects. It also makes you feel more comfortable when you need to use more strength in drilling work. Number 2. Flex shaft plus comfortable grip. The flex shaft can be attached to a rotary tool in seconds, easy to reach the hard-to-reach place. Also, the pen design grip makes it feel easier to draw a picture in engraving work. It provides you with more flexibility and comfort for your work. Number 3. Fast charging, portable. The 12 volts, 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery has a high capacity and fast charge. Wireless design for easy portability allows you to use it more efficiently and freely. The ergonomic design makes it compact, portable, and easy to handle for detailed projects. Number 4. Quick change keyless chuck plus flex shaft. The special keyless chuck can be used with all rotary accessories and attachments with diameters from 1/33 inch to a 1/8 inch one. Tool-free replacement, simple and efficient. The flex shaft adds an improved level of versatility and flexibility to your project capabilities and makes it more suitable for long-hour work. Number 5. No cord, no limit. Sensitive overload protection ensures your safety in strong pressure scenarios such as grinding and drilling. It is recommended that you set the speed to 4 or higher when working on hard objects at low speed. Overload protection is easily activated due to excessive friction. Number 6. 6 speeds adjustable. 6-speed switch accelerates the power evenly from 5,000 to 28,000 RPM, allowing flexible adjustment of rotation speed for different scenarios. You can easily control the fine carvings on wood, glass, metal, plastic, tiles, and others. The high-performance rotary tool has a powerful motor that increases work efficiency and reduces noise, perfect for cutting, drilling metal, grinding, sanding stone, and engraving glass, and even grooming pets' nails. Number 7. 80 accessories and 4 attachments. Teccpo Cordless Rotary Tool is equipped with 80 different accessories and 4 useful attachments. All the accessories that are common to other rotary tools. 1 Teccpo Cordless Rotary Tool. 1 battery. 1 fast charger, 80 accessories, 1 cutting guide, 1 flexible shaft, 1 auxiliary handle, 1 quick change keyless chuck. The flexible shaft can be attached to the rotary tool in seconds, making it easy to reach hard-to-reach places. Number 8. Ideal DIY tools and a wide range of application gifts. With a toolbox, it is ideal for DIY crafts and small family projects, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.